So you read the title right, we have the Kona EV, Kona Electric, at Perth Motorplex. Hyundai said yes. So first off, thank you to Hyundai for letting me do this. Before this video gets started, put what you think we're going to run down below. I'm going to try it in all different modes, hopefully we get some good runs in. But first, scrutineering. Oh, this is going to be hilarious. So this piece of paper tells me that I can race. So now we go sign on and get our driver's wristbands and then we line up. So, so good. Alright, so you can't see me, but you'll be able to hear me. So, we're lining up now. I'm in lane 4, which is designated by the number on my windscreen. I have it in sport mode, the traction control on. So, we'll see how we go. I'm not going to do a burnout. You'll be pleased to hear, Hyundai. So, here we go. Woo! Man, this is going to be so hilarious. $140, $150, oh, $155. Oh my god. That is the strangest experience that I've ever had. Oh my god. Alright, so I did a 14.8, far out, at 93 mile an hour, 150 kilometers an hour. 60 foot was 2.4. That's interesting. I was expecting that to be a lot higher. Far out. Alright, let's see if we can get that 60 foot down. Alrighty, so this time, sport mode. And I have traction and stability to control off. Now to turn both off, you hold the traction control button down for about 5 seconds and it'll turn it all off. So, let's see what we do. I'm not sure if that was any faster, but for about for about half of that 33 was in for a big shock. So basically, it can get off the line like far out. It's gone. It just runs out of steam about halfway through. And just for the geeks out there, usually I was running around 12 to 15 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometer, which basically dictates how quickly you're going to use the battery. On that run, I reset it at the start, and I did 44. All of the power. Alright, so 14.8, almost exactly the same as the last run. Now this is what I thought was going to happen, so I'm going to run probably once more and then go chill out with some mates. Wow. My 60 foot was 2.4 again, almost exactly the same. I'll compare in a sec when there's a bit of light. First run was a 14.87. Second run was a 14.85. Perfect bracket racing car, I guess. Interestingly, 60 foot 2.4, 2.4. Now, the Skyline that I was racing did a 13.8, so a second quicker, but he only picked that up literally in the second half. So to the 660, I'm 9.6 and he's 9.2. So he only picked me in the end of it. That's insane. In a freaking Kona. Mad. Alrighty, this time we're running in normal mode. I've still got traction control and stability control off to make sure that it's even to sport mode. We'll see how we go. I actually won a race. So that was normal mode. Oh, this thing's hilarious. It's so hilarious. That's going to be my final run of the night. I'm doing the exact same time every single time. This run was just an experiment to see what the difference between normal mode and sport mode was. I can tell you right now they're going to be the exact same numbers. All it is throttle response. So in the darkness that is the Perth Motorplex, yeah, absolute blast. 14.8 every single time. I'll flash up all of the times right now so you can have a look. Interestingly, look at the 60 foot and the 660 as well, especially compared to the other people I was racing. I won my last two races, interestingly enough. Huge thank you to Hyundai for actually allowing me on the strip. Huge thank you, been an absolute blast. I hope this gives you an insight into EVs, what they're capable of. Obviously this is just a Kona, so it's no Tesla. Absolute blast. Hope you enjoyed this different kind of video, and I'll see you in the next one.